afternoon, guys. We are ready now, heading to the church as our ano ba yun? Waiting station because we're going to the anticipated mass for tomorrow. Pagka nag-attend ka ng anticipated mass today, Saturday, consider na yun na nakasimba ka for tomorrow. So sinabi ko, that's why I say tomorrow, for tomorrow. That's why it is called as anticipated mass. We're going to Barangay Ardimil, wherein we what do you call this one? We do our mission or adaptation with my apo, from my nephew. Apo ko sa aking pamangking babae. Apo siya ng sis ko. So, she is also my apo. Yan. Gusto niya sumama eh. Tomorrow again, we'll be there for my fourth Sunday to join our mission. Hopefully, okay, Harley, maupod ka din, no? Ay, ready na siya, naka-bistida siya. Sabi, tindag mo labi, pakita ko ang aking, ang peg niya, oh. Naka-bistida siya. To think na we'll be going to uphill to village people baga. Okay.
Di ba may kalaang silaw-silaw niya?
Hindi. Hindi lang, okay lang to So, pagod na pagod pa nga ako. Katatapos ko lang magmartilyo nung maliit kong saradura ng bakod na ginawa ko kasi tinumba ng mga aso. Okay, guys. Ayan na. Oh, andyan ka na, Koy? Simba kami, Koy. Sa Barangay Ardimil. Oo. May ano kami, magkita-kita kami sa simbahan. Makikisakay lang. Okay, see you, my group. Okay, bye-bye.
Baba.